Okay, so we're going to be doing power of 3. Basically return it if it's power of 3, so we have to use logarithms. Let's go to the whiteboard. Similar to power of 2. Yeah, I had power of 3 here. So it's going to be x equals 2 to the power of n. Log base 3 of x gives you n. So that is how you get the integer val of this. So then you want to go here. Let's go is a power of 3. Okay, import math. Because the log function's in math. Then you go if you can't have negatives and below things, so if it's 0 and below, so if n is 0 less than or equal to 0, return false automatically, and then value exponent, because I want to find the exponent, equals math dot log base log x base. Okay, cool. So we go x is n, that's the number, and the base is 3. And find the exponent, return is close, because I want to see if it is rounded. So if the exponent that I want to check is close to exponent, if it's a whole number, to the rounded value. So if it's a whole number, then just return it. Run. Not that rounded is close exponent. Let's see. Because first I would think to do is integer, but the is integer doesn't work. Let's try it. So let's go exponent. Let's try. Exponent math n log base. Base. Oh, I put base here. That's why. It should be 3. I don't think it'll work in some of the edge cases. So yeah, 5 cases it fails. So 2,135 out of 2,140 or wherever the fuck doesn't work. So I want to go is close. One e to the 10. I could do this. The rounded value is check if it's a whole number or minus it. Oh wait, what did I just do? Exponent minus the rounded. I did this video before, but the fucking video cut out. Let me just check what I did. Because when OBS freezes, I have to like redo it, so it's a pain in the ass. Exponent minus this. Let's go chat. GPT power 3 check. Is close exponent round exponent? No, that doesn't work. Absolute value. Okay, so let's do that. Absolute value. Oh, because right now this rounded could be bigger. Let's do ABS. So dumb. So beats 42.27% of the people. Basically, all this does is you could use it as integer. The logic still works, but because of like the way floating point numbers work in Python, the difference could be 2.9999999, right? And it won't count it as 3. So you have to round it, get the absolute value, and check if the difference is so minuscule that it wouldn't matter, right? So if that, once you get that, then you check if it's an exponent or not. Like for me, like the simple way would be math.log, check if it's an integer. If it's a full number value, if it's an integer, that means it's a whole number, right? An integer is a whole number, not a floating point, right? So if the math.log is the math.log spits out a float number, if it's an integer, right? If it's the equivalent of a whole number, then you know it's a power of 3 automatically, right? This is another way of checking it. If you do get floating points and you want to make sure the minuscule differences don't interfere with checking if it's a power of 3 or not, right? So that's just my logic here. If you like that video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Okay, now just out.